क्या मैं बुद्धू हूँ? पापा आप मुझे प्यार क्यों नहीं करते? Why doesn't anyone likes me? Imagine your 7-year-old asking you this at bedtime. Your heart sinks. You want to say the perfect things, but the words just don't come. You hug them, say don't think like that, and hope that it's enough. But is it? Here's the thing, parents. We teach our kids addition, subtraction. We make sure they know their ABCs and Ramayan stories. We enroll them in cricket coaching, Kathak classes, and coding camps. But who teaches them the language of their heart? We grew up in homes where boys don't cry and girls should be nice, where feelings were something you suppressed, not expressed, where mental health was whisper, not a conversation. And now we are raising kids in different world. A world of social media, comparison, academic pressures, and emotional complexities that we never faced at their age. Think of emotional health like learning to swim. You wouldn't throw your child into the deep end and say, figure it out now, right? You would start in the shallow end. You would teach them to float first, then kick, then breathe, then the stroke. Emotional intelligence is exactly the same. It needs to be taught, practiced, nurtured, age by age, question by question. So, welcome to Growing Hearts, Growing Minds, Series 1 of Emotional Ninja Club. This is not just another parenting series. This is where your child's emotional toolkit is delivered through their own questions. Over the coming weeks, we will dive deep dive into the real questions the kid asks at different ages. For instance, ages 3 to 5 may ask, why do I feel angry when mama leaves? Ages 6 to 8, what do I do when someone calls me names? Age 9 to 10, why does nobody fix me for their team? 11 to 13 can ask, am I weird for feeling this way? Ages 14 to 15, why do you never understand me? Each episode will give you not just answers, but scripts, strategies, and the science behind the emotions. Because here's what I believe, the strongest families aren't the ones without the problem. They are ones where feelings have a voice, where tears have a place, where children know that all the emotions are welcome, even the messy ones. By the end of the series, you will know what your child is really asking beneath their questions, how to respond in a way that builds emotional strength and not just comfort, the mistakes most parents make that we will help you to avoid, age appropriate language that actually works. So, if you ever felt helpless when your child is hurting, if you've ever wished you had the right words, if you want to raise emotionally intelligent kids in a world that desperately needs them, this series is for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and let's build a generation of emotional ninjas together. Because good parents don't have all the answers, but great parents know where to find them. See you in episode 1. The questions are there, the answers are ours. The future is there. Emotional Ninja Club, where hearts learn to speak. Welcome to the series.